Check this out, party people. I was standing here. Oh, and you see the one big bright one coming towards me? That one's coming towards me. You got another jet going the other way, but this one's coming towards me. I kept watching it. What the hell is that? You hear that? What the hell was that? What kind of freaking noise was that? It looked like something was like it was jerking. Sorry. Yeah, I hear it. It's coming over this way. Check it out. See, it's the angles. You gotta remember, it's the angles that you're observing these at. Is what lights you're gonna see and what lights you aren't gonna see. This bad Larry came from way over there. You can see the other one. You saw the other one in the background flashing. I don't know what's going on up on the hill over there. Something's going on, but this thing is cruising. Oh, there's a luminary right underneath of it. Watch. There's a luminary. I don't know if you can see it. No. There's a luminary right over there. Oh, I wonder what that. Oh, it is. Oh, it was a helicopter or something at first. That's my peek of the roof there. What this bad Larry is? That's the thing's getting in the way. That's crazy shit, dude. There we go. Oh, it's fireworks. I don't know. It's something. This bad Larry's cruising, dude. Look. You'll see the luminary right above it. See it? Isn't that sweet? Oh, you saw the luminary right above it. Now he's over this way. Ow. Dude, he's flying. Whoop. Kind of got out of focus there. Look. Kind of back it up so that it stay focused. There we go. He's cruising, dude. He is cruising. Huh.